In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen with audio in Google Meet. Sharing your screen is pretty straightforward in Google Meet, but getting the sound to play correctly for everyone can be a bit confusing. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so that both your video and audio come through clearly for all participants. First, open Google Meet in your browser and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you're in the meeting, make sure your microphone and speakers are working. It's a good idea to quickly check that you can hear others and they can hear you before you start sharing anything. Next, look for the Present Now button at the bottom of the screen. This is the control you'll use anytime you want to share something. When you click it, you'll see a few options. Share your entire screen, share a window, or share a tab. If you want to share with audio, the most reliable option is to share a browser tab, especially if you're playing a video or audio clip from a website. Choose the option to share a tab, then select the tab that has the content you want to present. Before you click Share, pay close attention to the small checkbox that says something like Share Tab Audio. Make sure this is turned on. This is what allows the sound from that tab to be sent into the meeting so everyone can hear it. Once you've turned on Tab Audio and clicked Share, your participants will see that tab and hear whatever is playing. You can switch tabs inside your browser, but remember that only the tab you selected will share its sound. If you move to a different tab and want its audio to play, you'll need to switch the shared tab from the Meet controls. If you need to present your entire screen instead, keep in mind that sharing system audio is more limited and may depend on your browser and operating system. For most people, using a single tab with audio is the cleanest option. While you're presenting, keep an eye on the meeting window from time to make sure everything is still sharing correctly. When you're done, click Stop Sharing at the bottom of the screen, and you'll return to the regular meeting view. That's all you need to share your screen with audio in Google Meet, so everyone can see and hear your content smoothly.